moving on to our next category, which is Asset Management Firm of the Year. I'd like to invite up Martin Urbe from Halifa Bank to help us give this award away. Martin, come on up and join us.
And these are the nominees: Balmain Asset Management, CBRE Global Investors, CPI Property Group, PWS, EPP, Investor Real Estate, Tristan Capital Partners, Zeitgeist Asset Management.
Welcome, and thank you for helping us hand out this award.
Good evening. The award for the investment asset management firm goes to CBRE Global Investors.
Congratulations, and please feel free to say a few words. Welcome, welcome, congratulations. So please feel free to say a few words.
Good evening. Asset management is our passion, so thank you very much for this award. Thank you very much and have a nice evening.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, I can just agree. Thank you.
Yeah, good. Please come join us for a photo here.